Hello everyone, welcome to Sri RK Easy English. Storytelling series, Story 2. This story is about the lost kite and making new friends. Let's begin the story. Raju loved flying kites. Every Saturday he ran to the fields with his bright white kite and his grandfather's spool. One windy afternoon, the kite flew higher than ever. A strong gust snapped the string. The kite sailed over the river and landed on a tall banyan tree. Raju felt sad. He started crying. He sat beneath the tree, heart sinking. He couldn't climb high enough. Just then, an elderly woman carrying water stopped and asked him, "Hello, my dear boy, what happened?" Raju explained. Then the elderly woman called her grandchildren from nearby fields. All together, they gently formed a human ladder. With careful hands and cherishing voices, they freed the kite. He hugged the kite immediately, then started thanking each and every one of them. He felt very happy and shared his sugarcane juice, snacks, whatever he had with him, with all of them. From that day, every Saturday, that little group met by the banyan tree and started enjoying that complete day. By sharing the snacks, cheering, playing, feeling happy, they did all to enjoy their little moments. At last, Raju learned that a lost kite could bring new friends. And he also learned that helping others brings ultimate happiness. That's all is today's story. Let us meet with the next story in another video. Until then, as I always say, listen, imitate, and start narrating the story in your own way. Don't forget.